The Zimbabwe disputed President Emmerson Mnangagwa is fast falling out of favor in his own ZANU-PF party as they are regarding him as a weak candidate to represent ZANU-PF in the SADC-supervised fresh elections in Zimbabwe on June 30. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Vice President General Constantino Chiwenga is most likely going to stand as the ZANU-PF presidential candidate in fresh elections. The President Emmerson Mnangagwa has run his race. We feel he is a weak candidate because many now see him as the past, a ZANU-PF provincial leader said yesterday. In today's news, it is clear that SADC still plans to hold fresh elections in Zimbabwe on June 30, and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is most likely going to stand as the ZANU-PF presidential candidate. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.